wala naman silang alam sa mga barangay information officers. Is this just a planned project? Or is this an ongoing project? Or is this going to be just funded so you will implement it next year? And is this a propaganda machine for politics because it's an election year? So which? Torres.
Yes, ma'am.
Ilang barangay po sa Pilipinas?
Magandang tanong po yan, ma'am. Meron pong 42,011 barangay.
O, nag-iba na naman ang numero.
Yes, ma'am. 42,004 barangays
Sige,
according...
ulitin natin. Ito na naman.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Staff ko, mali kayo. So, 42,011.
42,011 barangays following three plebiscites held recently according to the Commission on Elections, ma'am.
Ulit, 42,011.
Yes, ma'am. Following tatlong plebisito na hinold ng
Yan na ang
Commission on
final.
Elections. Yes, ma'am.
Ayon sa COMELEC.
Yes, ma'am. Pero sa record po ng PSA, tama po yung staff nyo, 42,004.
May PSA ba dito?
Your Honor, meron pa.
Kayong mga ahensya ng gobyerno, magkaisa. Ayan na naman tayo. ha?
Just to clarify, Your Honor.
Yes, what's the difference of the 42,011 of the COMELEC and the 42,004 of the PSA and the 42,025 according to Mr. Torres that you said,
45, ma'am, earlier.
huh?
42,045 earlier.
42,045 last week.
Yes, ma'am.
Ibig sabihin, nag-abolish ng barangays, naging 42,011, nag-converge, nag-cluster.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi sabi mo, Duterte time, 42,045.
Yes, ma'am.
Ngayon, 42,000, according to COMELEC, 11. So, what's 45 minus 11? 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hina.
Ma'am,
45 minus 11, 34.
Yes.
So may 34 barangays na nawala. So, submit to my office the list from COMELEC of the 42,000.
11.
No, what is it now?
11, ma'am.
11.
according to COMELEC.
And what are the 34 barangays that were abolished, whatever, deleted? If you claim that in the Duterte time, which was your source in the first hearing, there were 42,045, correct?
Yes.
We must know what happened to those barangays. Were they abolished? Were they, what do you call this, pinagsama?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Several barangays were merged and consolidated.
Merged.
ma'am. Yes.
How do you call it? What is a accurate term? Merged, abolished, clustered, what?
The term that was used, ma'am, was consolidated.
Okay, consolidated. So, is it so this is what you need to give me. As of
Yes.
this time, kanyari ako si Mr. Torres. As of this time, this was my source. Duterte administration, this office. And show me the proof. It was 42,045. However, in the past years and to date, as of this day, according to this government agency, different from my first source of last week's hearing, it is 42,011. Ergo, the 34 barangays that we are looking for were consolidated into this barangay. So 34 ito, consolidated, therefore it became 42,011. Yun ang inaantay kong memo. Hindi naman nakabase ang approval ng buong PCO sa sagot mo na maayos. It's just one paragraph. Really? No, you're smiling, you're laughing, you think I'm really
No.
nitpicking, but it's not. It's like logical. When you see different figures, 42,000, sabi ng mga ito, 42,000, 45, 42,011, nakakalito naman talaga.
Yes, ma'am.
O, parang tinatanong mo, ilang isla ba ang Pilipinas? Pag low tide, high tide, I mean, ganun di ba? Alam mo naman ilan yung anak mo, di ba? So, kailangan alam natin ilan talaga.
Yes.
Kasi anak natin yan
Yes.
Inaalaga ang barangay. So, we will peg it at 42,011.
11, ma'am,
11.
according to the COMELEC.
And the
Yes.
PSA says, do you agree?
That would be we are agreeable with that,
Kasi
Madam
if you
Chair.
disagree, next hearing na naman tayo.
The 42,004 is the count of barangays as of June 30, 2024. That's the reference period. But that does not include, Madam Chair, those that are pending plebiscites pa. So yung 7 po na na barangay, tatapos lang po ng plebisito po noon. So hindi po siya naka-include doon sa
Tell me, how many plebiscites were conducted?
if the 7 po yung yung difference. So we are still confirming that kung
Why
ano kung
7? Why 7?
ay that's 42,011 po kasi less po yung yung
So ignore na natin yung
yung
45.
42.
Wag na yon.
Opo.
Okay, proceed.
And we will be confirming the 42,011 Madam Chair. Kapag nag-submit po ng full documentation, then we will update the press release of the number of barangays as of June 30, 2024.
Okay. Pero ngayon, anong accurate na gamitin natin ngayon?
It's gonna be the 42,011 if the
Okay.
plebiscite is already done.
Kailan matatapos yung plebisito?
I think it's already done, Madam
Okay.
Chair.
So we don't say we will use 42,011 when the plebiscite is already done. When you say that the plebiscite has already been done. I mean, ano ba kayo? The way to communicate is we will use 42,011 since the plebiscite has been done, right?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Mr. Okay.
Director
Yes.
Ambatali.
Kasi when you say we will use 42,011, if the plebiscite is done, that's prospective. That's why I asked you, when will the plebiscite be conducted? But you said, tapos na. O di, we are using 42,011 since the plebiscite has been done, right? No.
Madam Chair, we still do not have information if the plebiscite is already done actually.
O kaya nga, di say so. Ang gulo. Sa isang minuto, 3 sagot mo. So we have no information on the conduct of the plebiscite. We will find out.
Yes.
Therefore, we are not certain of the 42,011. But for the purpose of this hearing, we will utilize that figure. Ganun ang sagot. Communications kayong lahat dito. Ganun. Diba?
That's
Statistics
correct.
kayo. That's an exact science, right?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay. So as of now, it's 42,011.